The date is April 12th, 2016. This video will demonstrate the current assembly process for a Musubi shell kit, part number ACP0015/DSH02-0006. The components of this kit are: 1. Decorative shell kit, Musubi character, part number CP0015/DSH01-0018. 1. Packing sleeve, part number CP0019/DSH02-0002, and 1 Musubi shell kit sticker, part number CP0025/DSH02-0011. Note that the sticker is a 4-inch by 2-inch sticker that has a depiction of an assembled Musubi shell. This sticker must be used with this assembly. The assembly process is as follows. Open the envelope, insert the shell kit, seal the envelope, and place the sticker on the front in the box as follows. I'll now repeat this process at a normal speed for time study purposes. The assembly is complete.